The temple was created through my own struggles, my own healing, through multiple dark nights of the soul. And to start with, I wasn't sure whether I was being crazy or whether I'm going flipping mad trying to do this. But after perseverance and sticking with it, I finally, after so many years, know what my purpose is. My purpose is reaching out and connecting with people worldwide who are going through similar experiences and offer a hand to those in a time of struggle, in desperate need, of confusion, of not understanding what is going on, what's happening with their lives. And yeah, I understand there's so much information online, but I believe that my voice and my platform is shared from nothing but truth. And after 1 or 2 years of me carefully putting this platform together, I'm at a position where I'm generally quite proud of what I've put together, and I'm just excited to share it with the world. A place of truth, a place of being, a place of belonging, a place where like-minded souls can connect. And coming on YouTube is not something that I thought I would be doing nearly over 2 months ago. But I'm at that stage in my journey where my offerings can benefit the world, they can help others, and my voice can be heard. So when I'm recording these YouTube videos, trust me when I tell you now, even 2 months ago, if I was to tell you that I was going to make a YouTube video, I wouldn't have believed it myself. And I'm not ever trying to show up on this camera to somebody that's got it all figured out or can tell you how you should and shouldn't be living your life. But what I do have is a story and a platform that I'm proud to share with the world. And I truly believe that I can help and lend a hand to connect with them people that are going through the struggles. And amongst all the content online, I believe I have a place, and I believe I have an offering of something of truth. And after so many years of going round and trying to work out who I am, or what is my purpose, and just having no clue, to actually sitting with it for long enough, countless nights of confusion and not knowing, and where would I start, and how can I put this together, to hours and hours and hours spent on my laptop putting things in writing, to then waking up the next day just to think, what the hell am I doing? This is crazy. I'm building this. I'm building this platform. I'm building this empire that last night felt so good to me, and then today feels like such a ridiculous, stupid idea. And I've kept this all to myself. The only people that hear about what I'm sharing with you is the people I'm sharing with online. My own family, my own friends don't know what I'm doing. But behind it all, it gives me some sort of comfort and knowing that it's not for them people. It's not for me to share with them people just yet. And again, after me going backwards and forwards and up and down and working through these dark nights myself, I'm not somebody that's got it all figured out. But what I do know is that we're here to create, we're here to build, we're here to grow, we're here to share, we're here to help others, and I'm passionate about that. Excuse me, I get a little bit emotional because the last couple of years has been some of the hardest challenges of my life, and to share it with people that are going through a similar thing, that's ultimately what I intend to do. So if you do like this video, I'm going to get off the screen now because I'm welling up a little bit, but if you've stayed till this point in the video, which isn't long, I don't feel I need to make it a long video, I appreciate you. And if you could give a thumbs up for the video, or you want to explore more in the descriptions, I'd like to share this journey with you. And there's nothing more than I want to see other people that have been through similar situations to me to begin to create, to begin to do and live the life that they're here to do. And with every part of me, that's my ultimate goal in building the temple and showing up on YouTube. So I'm sorry if I've rambled a little bit, but you're the only person that I've told this to. So I appreciate you, and I really hope that we can rise to our highest version of ourselves. So I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for your time.